Namaskar, welcome to Human Resource Management classes. Now we'll discuss about the job design. We have already discussed about the job analysis. In job analysis, we have seen job description and job specification. Here we'll see what is job design. So basically, job designing is nothing but to organizing the task, duties, responsibility into the productive unit of work. Many times job designs requires some changes. So job designing is the organizing of task, reorganizing of the task, reorganizing of duties, and reorganizing of opportunities, reorganizing of the responsibilities. So that includes job also, and that includes job holder also. So the when it is related to job design, then it is organizing the task, duties, responsibility. When it relates to person, then matching characteristics of people with characteristics of job. That means many times a person is fit at some other place, he should be shifted to some other place because his temperament suits with that, not with this. So this rotation is also known as one of the job design. So job design generally performs or there's the job performance based upon the job performance, based upon the job satisfaction, and based upon the physical and mental health. Job designing is done based upon the three criteria: based upon the job performance, whether performance is good or not, and what further can be done based upon the job satisfaction, whether that person is satisfied or not, or whether that organization is satisfied or not, and then physical and mental health of that person is also determined. So when we do the job design can be done in the various way. Out of that, four are: job simplification. If the job of a person is very complicated, in job designing method, that job will be simplified to his satisfaction, to his performance, to his physical and mental health. Then job rotation. Many times some person is fitted at this location, another person is fitted at this location. This person is good for here and that person is good for here. So in that position job rotation may take place, both get satisfied. So job rotation is part of job design. Job enrichment. Job enrichment means enlargement of the job. Earlier there was some personal manager, now he has been given extra charge of welfare officer, or say personal manager has been given the portfolio of HR manager. So it's a job enlargement. It is more or less related to promotion, but it is not promotion, it's only enlargement of the job. Enrichment of the job. Enrichment of the job means doing the same thing with little bit more gravity. We'll understand it one by one here. Job design is the process of restructuring the work and designing the specific activities of individual or group levels. So it determines responsibility of an employee, authority he enjoys, scope of decision making, level of satisfaction, his productivity. So in this, job enlargement is there. We have already discussed job enlargement involves expansion of the scope and width of the job by means of assigning certain closely related operations. Like typist is there and he can be given further duty of drafting and typing. So this is job enlargement. His job has been enlarged. This will reduce his boredom also. Otherwise, sometimes he is typing, sometimes he is sitting. So it creates boredom. So if he is given extra charge of drafting also, he will do the drafting and will do the typing, so boredom will not be there. His efficiency will also improve. Job rotation. Job rotation is employee who wants a challenging and satisfying job still feels frustrated if he is not kept at the right position. So in that position, his job is rotated. He is given some other job, other challenging job where he can feel satisfaction. Job analysis versus job design. Yes, job analysis is different and job analysis is different. Job analysis and job designs are different. So there is difference between job design and job analysis. The main objective of job design is to ensure that individuals have meaningful work and one that fits in the efficiency with the other job. So right person at right place. This is called job design. Job design is concerned with enlarging, enriching, simplifying, otherwise changing jobs in such a way that each worker's job fits in with his jobs in the firm. So job design is related to various methods: enlarging, enriching, simplifying, rotation, so that they can get job satisfaction also, and the business entity can have better productivity. It is about integrating the needs of the individual performance, the job with the productivity needs of the organization. So job design is basically related to individual's need and related to organizational need. It is the integration of the need of the individual performance. It is the integration of the need of the individual performance and organizational productivity needs. So that is why job design is very effective as far as productivity and individual satisfaction is concerned. So this is all about the job design. In next classes we'll meet. Till then, keep on revising. Namaskar.